is the 14th of June, so I just wanted to give you a quick update. A Japanese labourer at the moment. Look how good he is. All these offcuts of timber. He's like boxed them up and like packaged them up in a little thing. The garden is way more clean. We cut down a bunch of trees. Cleaned it right up. Same with the front. I'll bring in the front door. The 2 downstairs bedrooms. These are already gutted. Just gonna put new flooring in there, plaster those back walls. I'm not ripping this floor up. I'm just gonna go straight over the top of it, which means we're not putting plastic on the floor down there, which is a bit of a shame, but we're gonna be plastering into these green parts and then just wallpapering. Well, the living room, nothing's happened yet. The kitchen, we're moving. So yeah, kitchen started to get pulled out. This floor feels dangerous how squishy it is. Boiler has been pulled out. This floor is ripped up. So the shelves in here are gone, tiles are out, vanity's out. We ripped all the tiles off the walls, ripped this door out, ripped these glass brick windows out, all the tiles. The bath's coming out next, so today we're going to clean up all this rubbish. So we've started, just trying to get a bit more of a workstation set up. Here's plaster, there's a few of our workhorses. So not much happened in these 2 rooms. Anne's been painting all the windows. So you can see there, this room is the most progressed. This is the one that we said we're going to knock off first. So as you can see, we're plastered. I got this GPO disconnected yesterday, so I'm going to plaster over that. I've done the first skim coat, coated the ceilings, put in a new vent. I built some boxing just to cover the kerosene dispenser. Anne's windows look $1,000,000. Look how good they are. And yeah, we're on track. We're absolutely flying. About to start building this bed frame. Now we've got some wallpapering to do, but I just wanted to give a PSA for anyone who's doing a lot of plastering and renovation. If you're doing it yourself, do not use one of these. It'll take you so long and your hands will feel terrible afterwards. Get a proper drywall sander.
Oh, I like the color.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. So that comes with glue on it, doesn't it?
Yeah, on the back.
So these are all the tools you need, huh?
Yeah. This is a permanent watch. Get rid of the bubble.
Yeah. Yep.
What's this for? I don't know. If someone knows. What's
Brush. It must be to clean it beforehand.
And this is a roller for the HVAC. Ooh, I like it. It's not that white. It has my name on it too.
So these were the windows that came with the house. These yellow ones are all dank as hell. They're all like discolored and stuff. So Anne set herself up a little booth there. She's been painting all the windows. And we just installed the first one after she's finished with it. Look at it, it looks great. They look brand new. We even got new white screw heads. This is always what happens with me and Anne. I'll get some deep fried dank ass thing and she'll get a vegetable.
Show me.
It's like a pancake egg thing. Tamago. It's something